Welcome back, agriculture enthusiasts, with the perfect seed and rich, well-drained soil to grow the king of fruits. Welcome to mango.
Step 1 is choosing the right variety, whether it's Alfonso, Dasheri, or Kesar, depending on your climate. Planting is best done during the initial growth years. Young trees need consistent care. Drip irrigation ensures they receive adequate water. Pruning helps shape. After about 3 to 4 years, the trees enter the flowering phase, usually in spring. Delicate panicles burst into bloom. Natural pollinators like bees play a... As the weeks pass, the small fruits steadily grow in size. Farmers monitor the crop closely during this phase to protect the moment everyone waits for: harvesting. Ripe mangoes are harvested using specialized tools to prevent damage. They must be picked at the...
After harvesting, the mangoes undergo a strict sorting and grading process. Damaged fruit is removed, and the premium mangoes are carefully packed.
And that's how the journey of the delicious mango comes to life. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more farming guides.